a right angled triangle, right? So if I have a right angled triangle, let's say this, I call it A, B, C, right? So this is a right angled triangle. Now trigonometry deals with the relationship between the sides of this triangle and the angles of this triangle, right? So how the angles are related to side. Angles means the other two angles. So one is 90°, that is okay. Apart from this, I have two angles, right? This is an angle which I can call theta, right? Okay. So now there are 6 trigonometric ratios as we discussed. One is sine theta. In short, I'm writing sine theta, right? That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? So perpendicular means if, because I'm taking this angle theta, so the side which is opposite to this angle, that is AB, correct? Upon hypotenuse will be AC. So this is sine theta, right? Okay. Now cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Sorry. So base is, the base is which is one leg of this theta, right? So this is BC, the side which is one of the leg of this angle, okay? Base and hypotenuse, sorry, base upon AC. Okay, then tan theta is perpendicular upon base, right? So perpendicular is again your AB, base is BC. And then we have their inverse, right? So from here we can write cosec theta, which is the inverse of sine theta, correct? 1 upon sine theta. Okay. So that will be your AC by AB. And the inverse of cos is sec theta, which is, we can say 1 upon cos theta. So it will be AC by BC. And then from here we can write cot theta, which is actually 1 upon tan theta, and which will be BC by AB. So this much you need for first exercise. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I just change the figure like this, this is again my triangle ABC. This is right angled at B, right? Now I'm taking this angle, which I'm calling theta or something else. Let's say W, right? So my angle is now this W. So if I want to write sine, so I'll not write theta, I'll write W. I'm taking sine of this angle, okay? So again, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, correct? Now, which side is perpendicular, Arshia?
AB.
No,
It's CB.
yes. BC or CB, right? Upon hypotenuse is always the side which is opposite to the right angle, okay? The longest side of the triangle, okay? Then similarly, you can write cos W. I'm also writing theta. Okay, so this is base by hypotenuse. Now, which is base, Arshia?
Ma'am, AB is the base.
Yes. See, base is one of the leg of this angle, right?
Yeah.
Base will be the side which will be one of the leg of this angle. Okay, so AB by AC. And similarly, you can write tan theta, which is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular again will be BC and base is AB. Fine, Martin?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. And then similarly, you can write cosec and then sec and then cot theta. Yes, Subhana, can you hear me? Okay, so now let us do some simple questions based upon this. So I give you one triangle. Now all of you will solve it. This is A, B, and C, right? So there are sides. This side is 13 centimeter. This side is 12 centimeter. And this side is 5 centimeter, right? Okay, so this is the right angle at A. Find all the 6 trigonometric ratios of angle B, right? Note down. Find all trigonometric ratios of angle B. Yes, Subhana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm revising trigonometry today, right? I've started again. So I think this much you know that what is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so this is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos, and like that. So we are doing some simple questions. I'm taking questions from Adi Sharma this time. Okay, so you have to find all trigonometric ratio of angle B. That means this angle you have to take, correct? So you will write like this, sine of B, okay? Which is again perpendicular by hypotenuse, or if you want to write directly sides, you can write. So perpendicular, that means it will be AC, right? Hypotenuse will be BC. So it will be 5 centimeter and BC will be 13 centimeter. So centimeter actually cancels out. It is just a number, okay? So it will not have any unit. It is just a ratio, 5 by 13, that's it. Unit gets cancelled out. Okay, now quickly find cos B, all of you. Then I'll ask tan B.
Is it 12 centimeter by 13 centimeter? Sorry, AB by BC.
Yeah, so how much in numbers?
12 centimeter by 13 centimeter.
So centimeter cancels out, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
So it is 12 by 13. Is everybody getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tan B,
5 by 12.
5 by 12.
5 by 12. Okay. And then what is Kozak?
It's 13 by 5.
Good. And what is Sac?
12, 13 by 12.
12.
Very good. And Cot will be 12 by 5. Okay. Okay, next kind of question I give you. Second, in a triangle ABC, right angled at B. Okay, right. Now, if AB is equal to 12 and BC is equal to 5, right? Fine. So first, you have to find sine of A and tan of A. Okay. Second, you have to find cos of C and cot of C. Now quickly find, first of all, draw a triangle. Okay. So right angled at B. So you will draw it like this. So this will be B. Okay. Now A you can take anywhere. You can take here. No problem. Right. Okay. Now write down what is given. So AB is 12. Okay. AB is 12. BC. Okay. This is 5. And you have to find sine A. First of all, what will you do here?
We need to find AC.
Very good. So first step is to find AC because you need all the three sides, okay, for trigonometric ratio. So how can we find it? We can use Pythagoras theorem, okay, because it's a right angle triangle. Now quickly find and tell me how much is AC, all of you.
Is it 13 centimeter? 13 and
Yes, it is 13. Okay. Is everybody getting 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, if you are not able to solve, please ask me.
sine A, right? Out of my
Yeah, sine A, tan A, cos C, cot C.
No.
Yes, Subhana. How much is sine A?
It 5 by 13.
Okay, Subhana, what is your answer? Okay, it's perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So perpendicular here. Now, which angle you are taking? You are taking angle A, right? So the perpendicular will be BC, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hypotenuse will be AC. Okay, so that will be 5 by 13, right? Then tan A,
5 by 12.
tan A will be perpendicular by base. So 5 by 12, right? Okay. Now Arshia, okay, Arshia was speaking. Mana, how much is cos C?
Ma'am, I said that answer.
Okay, sorry. Arshia, now tell me cos C.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Hmm.
Thirteen by 12.
Cos C. No. C. Now come. See here.
5 by 13.
12 by 13. No, it's also wrong.
13 by 5.
No,
Ma'am, is it 5 by 12?
12.
no. Why are you getting so many different answers for cos C? It has to be one answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see here. See,
12
see,
by 13.
5 by 13 is right. Now see how you get it. Now you are taking this angle, correct? What is cos? First of all, write down base by hypotenuse. Okay.
Ma'am, cos is hypotenuse by perpendicular, right?
Oh, no, no. Okay, let me give you one trick I think I also gave previously. Yeah, Martin, what I gave you?
Wait, I understood. I got confused between cos and cosec.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, I think I gave you one sentence. Pretty baby Priya, right? Is sorry, is happy baby. Now, if you can remember it, right? Please note it down if you have not written it. So, pretty baby Priya is happy baby. Now, you have to remember this thing, right? Okay. Now, you write first letters like this. So, P, B, and P. Pretty baby Priya is you forget, okay? Then happy baby. All right? Okay. Now, you write here sine, cos, and tan, right? Now inverse of sine, so you can see here sine will be read like this, perpendicular by hypotenuse, correct? Cos read like this, base by hypotenuse. Tan read like this, so perpendicular by base. All right. Okay. Now inverse of sine is what? Cosec. So you write here cosec. So you have to read like this. So it will be h upon p. Okay. Now inverse of cos is sec. So you will read like this, h upon b. Then inverse of tan is cot, so you will read like this. So it will be base by perpendicular. Is that clear, all of you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so please write down. This will help you to remember. Now cos is base by hypotenuse, right? Base will be because you are taking angle C, so base will be BC, okay? Hypotenuse is AC. Now base is 5 and this is 13, so 5 by 13. Now find cot C, all of you.
Is it 5 by 12?
5 by 12, right? Okay, is everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the second kind of question. Now, can you see first kind of question where all the three sides were given? Okay. All the three sides were already given. Now, second kind of question, one of the side was missing, right? So the additional step you used Pythagoras theorem. Now, the third kind of question can be this. Now, one of the trigonometric ratio will be given. For example, if cos of theta, or I take simple one, if sine of A, let's say, is 3 by 5, right? Find, then you have to find some other ratio. If I say find cos A and tan A, right? So here you will draw the figure in the end, or you can like draw a triangle, but you don't know its dimensions, right? Now you see here you are taking sine of A. So that means A is not the right angle. Okay, so A, either A will be here or A can be here. Anywhere you can take it. Okay. So I take my A here. So A is one of the acute angle here. Okay. Then other you can take anything B or C, right? Okay. Now, okay, obviously B is the right angle here. A is your acute angle which you are taking. Okay. Now see what is given. So sine of A, what is the formula? It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Is that okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now because A angle you are taking, so which side is perpendicular? That is BC and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, now this ratio is already given, that is 3/5. Okay, so can I write from here that BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5?
Yeah.
Yes, Mana.
Yes, ma'am.
Arshia. Subhana.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I cannot write. Now pay attention, everyone. This I explained before also. See, this is the ratio of BC by AC, that is 3/5. I cannot say exactly that BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5. Why I cannot say? For example, let's say my BC is 12, right? And AC is equal to 20, right? Now let's take the ratio. So I take the ratio BC by AC. So it is 12 divided by 20. Now divide by 4. So 4 into 3 and 4 into 5. So again, I'm getting 3/5. Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically, this time 3 and 5 both are multiplied by 4. Is that okay? Yeah. So I cannot say that it is exactly 3. It is one of the answer. But it is always 3 times some number. So I put x here. So it is 3 into x. It is 5 into x. Now x can be anything, right? So if you multiply this side, for example, another, if I take BC is equal to, let's say 18, and I take AC is equal to 30. Now again, you check the ratio. So you check here. So BC by AC, what will happen? 18 divided by 30. Now 6 into 8, 3 is 18, right? I mean, you divide by 6. So 6 into 3 and 6 into 5. Again, you are getting 3/5, right? So that means you can see here 6 and 5 both are multiplied by 6, right? So if I multiply 3 and 5 by a same number, the ratio will remain the same. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't write exactly 3 and 5.
Okay.
And this concept is involved in other chapters as well, ratio and proportion and many other chapters. So this is something to remember. If something is given in ratio, you always take it as a multiple of something. Take it as a multiple of x or as a multiple of k or something like that. Okay, I hope it's clear now. So you take like this. So BC side is now 3x and AC is now 5x. So two sides you have got, right? Again, first of all, you need to find the third side, which is AB. Use Pythagoras theorem. So your AB will be square root of hypotenuse. That means AC square minus BC square. Is that clear? I have directly written like that. Okay. Okay, let me write stepwise. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, what happens? Your AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? So AB you want to find, so keep it here. AB square will be AC square minus BC square, right? Now AC is okay, 5x whole square minus BC is 3x whole square, right? Okay, so that is 25x square minus 9x square. So what you get here? 25 minus 9 is 16x square. So that means your AB square is 16x square. So AB will be square root of 16x square, right? 16 is a perfect square of 4, that we know, 4 into 4. So 4 will come out, and x into x, so 1x will become out. 1x will come out, right? So this side AB is now 4x. That clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can find anything. Cos A and tan A you want to find, right? So cos of A, simple, base by hypotenuse, right? Base will be AB, hypotenuse will be AC, right? So AB is 4x and AC is 5x. So x will now cancel. So it will be 4/5. Now find tan A quickly. Yes, come on. How much is tan A? Nobody's responding.
Ma'am, it's 3/4.
Yes, so you have to respond 3/4 okay, yeah, 3/4 perpendicular upon base. Okay, next question. Now you will solve it yourself. Note down, if cos of theta is 8/17, right? Find the other 5 trigonometric ratios. Now do it. Same way you have to do it. Then I'll ask you.
It's 8/17, right? It's 8/17, right? That one.
Martin, it's 8/17. Okay. That means your base will be 8x, hypotenuse will be 17x. Okay. So find the perpendicular first of all. Okay, who is having issue now? Tell me. Yes, Martin. Are you able to do?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Almost.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so if I draw a triangle,
The perpendicular is 15.
15, okay, and base is 8, basically 8x and 15x, okay, this will be 17x. See, actually in trigonometry, if you don't take x, it will be accepted because ultimately x is going to cancel out, right? But I was actually telling you the actual concept involved there, right? So there is no harm if you take x because that's the correct way of doing it. But if you take, for example, BC by AC, something is given 5 by 3. So if you take BC is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 3, it's right, but it is only one of the answer. And in trigonometry, it can work. There's no problem, right? But in other cases, uh, it is not the full answer. I hope you understand that. Okay. Yes, Mana, what is sine of theta here? Okay, which angle you are taking? This.
Yeah.
This is the
Ma'am,
theta.
it's 15 by 17.
Okay. Arshia, how much is cos theta? Cos is okay, it's what was given. How much is tan theta?
15 by 8.
All right. Subhana, can you tell me cosec theta? I think she is having some audio issues. Anyway, Martin, how much is cosec theta?
17 by 15.
Okay, 17 by 15. And sec theta?
17 by 8.
Okay. And cot theta?
8 by 15.
8 by 15. Okay, they are inverse. Okay. Right. Okay, one more question I'm giving you and you will do it. Now to this one. Right. If cosec theta, cosec of A, right, is equal to 2. Find the value of. So you have to find this 1 upon tan A plus sine A divided by 1 plus cos A. Now please do it. So first of all, find this tan A, sine A, cos A, then put the values here and solve. Okay, I'm writing the next question also. You keep on doing it. Yeah, who has done the first part? First question. Yes, Martin. Question number 5. Have you done? Arshia, question number 5.
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Mana,
Ma'am, this one.
yes, Martin. Question number 5.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Okay.
Is fifth one 5?
Okay, fifth one. What is the final answer you are telling, right?
5, yeah.
No. Mana, what is your final answer? Okay, tell me how much is tan A? Martin, how much is your tan A here?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Okay, that is correct. How much is sine A?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. That is also right. And cos A?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Okay, that's right. That means you're solving it wrong.
Ma'am, the answer is 2.
Yes, the answer is 2. Okay, Let us quickly solve it. So 1 upon tan A plus sine A upon 1 plus cos A, right?
Yeah.
So let us put values. So 1 upon, now tan A is 1 by root 3, right? Plus sine A 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus cos A root 3 by 2. Okay. So here, Martin, you can just multiply, right? So root
Yeah,
3 will go in the numerator and divided by 1. Okay, plus. Now here, numerator will remain same, but you have to solve the denominator first of all because you are adding. So addition will be first. Okay. So take LCM, which is 2. 1 into 2 is 2 plus under root 3, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now under root 3 upon 1, if you want to write, plus. Now this 2 can go in the numerator. So this 2 will actually go here. So 2 into 1. And
So
this 2 will come here. So 2 into 2 plus under root 3, right? Okay. Now, again, these are fractions which you are adding. So just take LCM. It will be 2 into 2 plus under root 3. Okay. Now here under root 3 will be multiplied with this 2 into 2 plus under root 3, right? You can put multiply here because multiply and then plus it will be only 2. Is that correct? Is this correct, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is, you can open the bracket, right?
Yeah.
So 2 into root 3, if you want to write it a bit clearly, so you can write it 2 root 3, no problem. Root 3 into 2 or 2 root 3, it is the same thing, right? Okay. Now you open the bracket. So 2 into 2, 4. So it becomes 4 under root 3 and then plus 2 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will become 3, right? And 2 into 3, 6. Okay. And then plus 2. And this is in denominator 2 into 2 plus under root 3, right? Okay. So this is 4 under root 3 plus 8 and then divided by 2 into 2 plus under root 3. So you can take 4 common from the numerator as you can see, or yeah, okay. So it will be how much? Under root 3 plus 2, right? And divided by 2 into 2 plus under root 3. So this is the same bracket. Root 3 plus 2 or 2 plus root 3 is the same thing, right?
yeah,
So the full bracket cancels out. So it is only 4 by 2, which is actually equal to 2.
I'm gonna scroll up.
Yeah, sure. Okay, then I'll send you some homework also today, some more questions, and you have to finish the other question number 6 also.
So, ma'am, can I leave now?
Yes, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, hello Robin.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, please wait. This class is just winding up. I'll start the next one.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Okay, Martin, bye. Okay, Robin, just wait for 1 or 2 minutes for the other students to join.
Okay, teacher.
So actually in the last class, we have finished this exercise number. What was the number? 12.2, right? Yes, 12.2 I have finished. So I'll start with 12.3 today.